Kawasaki is once again refreshing its KLX230 line for 2026 with the introduction of the KLX230 Sherpa S, a dual-sport motorcycle designed specifically for true adventurers. Unlike the standard KLX230, which emphasizes motocross, the Sherpa S has a rugged character and is ready to explore a variety of terrains. Embracing the spirit of adventure, the Sherpa S boasts a sturdy design and features that support off-road exploration. The lower seat height of just 825 millimeters provides riders with greater confidence, especially when navigating challenging terrain. Despite this, ground clearance remains high at 210 millimeters, thanks to the use of a 21-inch front wheel and an 18-inch rear wheel, both fitted with tubeless tires for added convenience. The suspension is also designed to handle various conditions. A 37mm front fork with 155mm travel, and a unitrack system at the rear with 165mm travel, ready to absorb shocks effectively. Additionally, the motorcycle is equipped with standard features such as handguards, a skid plate, LED headlights, and a digital LCD instrument panel that can connect to a smartphone via the Rideology app. In terms of braking, the KLX230 Sherpa S relies on a 265mm disc with a 2-piston caliper at the front, and a 220mm disc with a single-piston caliper at the rear. Interestingly, ABS is standard and can be deactivated as needed depending on the terrain. Behind its rugged appearance, the motorcycle still relies on a 233cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine, capable of producing 17.8 horsepower and 18.3 Nm of torque. The 7.6-liter fuel tank capacity is sufficient for long journeys, while its total weight of just 136 kilograms keeps it agile on various road conditions. With its combination of sturdy design, modern features, and reliable performance, the Kawasaki KLX230 Sherpa S 2026 is an attractive choice for anyone looking to explore further, whether on the road or in the great outdoors.